Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started.
Today I'm making corn soup with minced chicken. So let's review the ingredients. I have some ground chicken meat here, ginger, corn, green onion, eggs, cornstarch slurry, seasoning salt mix, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, and chicken and pork stock. For the prep, let's give the chicken meat a quick marinade. Add a little bit of the seasoning salt mix, white pepper, sesame oil, and Shaoxing wine. And give this a good mix. And for the chicken, I'm using thigh meat, and you can certainly use breast meat. Okay, so that looks good. Let's put this aside. Next, we can cut the corn kernels. I'm using fresh corn. It's in season now, but you can also use frozen corn or canned corn. We'll just run it down the cob here. Okay, that's done. We'll put that aside. Next, let's mince the ginger. And we'll mince the green onion. And I'm going to separate the white part of the onion. Put that together with the ginger. And the green part will be just for a garnish at the end. Next, we can crack the eggs. And we'll give it a quick whisk. Okay, that's done. Now all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. So for this soup, I'm making it in a pan. Heat is set at a medium-high heat. Add a little bit of oil. And we're going to cook off the chicken. And we'll cook this until the chicken becomes opaque. And you can work to break up the pieces of chicken. And we're going to add the ginger and the white part of the onion. And give this about a 30-second stir. Next, add the chicken stock. Turn the heat up to high. Let this come up to a boil. And what we can do at this point is also skim off some of the foam. Okay, at this point, we'll add the corn. And we'll let this come up to a boil. Should just take about a minute. Heat is still set on high. Okay, the soup has come back up to a boil. We can skim off some more of the foam here.
cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup up. Okay, it's coming back up to a boil again. And you thicken the soup to your liking. And this looks good to me. I don't like it too thick. Next, we'll turn off the heat. And then we're going to drizzle the egg drop in here. Slowly stir it. And you want to have nice little ribbons. Give it a gentle stir. Now give it a taste. We can adjust the seasonings. That's really good. We add a little bit white pepper, a little bit of a seasoning salt, and sesame oil. This is ready. Let's serve it. And we'll garnish it with the green onions.
And here we have a delicious bowl of corn soup with minced chicken. This is a rich, hearty soup with a creamy, velvety texture. It's a classic Cantonese comfort food. Enjoy! Okay, so let's see if Xiao likes it. Oh, yummy. She likes the minced chicken and the little niblets of corn. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.